Qwen 2.5 Max is Alibaba's most advanced large language model LLM, built to rival GPT-4o, Claude 3.5, and DeepSeek v3. It features a mixture of experts-mo architecture, which optimizes performance by activating only necessary model components, reducing computational costs while maintaining high-quality output. Trained on 20 trillion tokens, it excels in coding, mathematics, multilingual translation, and logical reasoning. Beyond natural language processing, Qwen 2.5 Max supports business applications, research, and enterprise AI solutions. It is accessible via Qwen Chat, Alibaba Cloud's Model Studio, and API integrations, enabling seamless adoption for developers and businesses. Alibaba's open-source AI strategy ensures public access to this powerful model, making it a cost-effective solution for software development, education, content creation, customer service, and automation.
How well can Qwen 2.5 Max understand and generate human-like text?
Qwen 2.5 Max excels in natural language processing, allowing it to understand, analyze, and generate human-like text with high accuracy. It can engage in coherent conversations, summarize information, and generate content across various domains while maintaining context awareness and fluency.
Can Qwen 2.5 Max help with programming and debugging?
Yes, it can write, debug, and optimize code in multiple programming languages, including Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. Developers can use it for code generation, AI-assisted programming, and troubleshooting, making software development faster and more efficient.
How well does Qwen 2.5 Max handle complex mathematical and logical problems?
Qwen 2.5 Max can solve advanced mathematical problems, including algebra, calculus, and probability, while providing step-by-step explanations. Its logical reasoning capabilities make it useful for scientific research, engineering calculations, and AI-driven analytics.
Can Qwen 2.5 Max translate languages and create high-quality content?
Yes, Qwen 2.5 Max supports multilingual translation with high accuracy. It can generate blog articles, reports, creative writing, and marketing content while ensuring that the tone and context remain accurate across different languages.
How can Qwen 2.5 Max be used in businesses and enterprises?
Businesses can integrate Qwen 2.5 Max for AI-driven customer support, market research, and data analysis. It can enhance decision-making, automate workflows, and improve business insights, making it a valuable tool for corporate applications.
Can students and researchers benefit from Qwen 2.5 Max?
Absolutely. Qwen 2.5 Max can act as a virtual tutor, explaining complex academic concepts, generating study materials, and assisting researchers with data analysis. It is especially useful for exam preparation, summaries, and educational content creation.
Why is Qwen 2.5 Max considered more cost-efficient than other AI models?
Unlike traditional AI models, Qwen 2.5 Max uses a mixture of experts-mo architecture, which activates only the necessary neural pathways instead of processing the entire model. This reduces power consumption and computational costs, making it an affordable alternative to GPT-4o and Claude 3.5. Qwen 2.5 Max is pushing the boundaries of AI with its advanced capabilities. What do you think about its performance? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI and tech updates. See you in the next one.